What is up, guys? It is another weekend here at the household. Been working on some stuff, making some videos for you guys, and I wanted to show you something I was working on yesterday. And it started raining, so I came back inside. Never got to film anything, but I started to dig into that 280Z parts car, and I actually found a lot of stuff in there. I've never gone through the car before. I literally got it with the other Datsun. It was parked on the side of this dude's house, like completely neglected, sitting in the dirt with no wheels on it. So I've never actually gone through the car. I've literally opened the door, looked inside, and said, wow, that's pretty stanky. So I actually went through it the other day, and there is a lot of stuff. So here's that poor little 280. This thing is very rusty. The hood is rusted through. The fenders have rusted through. But I actually washed, quote unquote washed, one side of it yesterday. While it was raining, I came out and rubbed one side down with a cloth. It's seen some better days. But it has this full, I don't know the Datsun code for it, but it's like caramel tan interior, and it's actually all in really good shape except for this disgusting shag carpet from the 70s. But yeah, as you can see, the floorboards are completely rotted out, as well as under the seat. All these little nooks. So I don't know. This did just come as a parts car with the Datsun. I think it'd be fun to just try to get it running, but it's got some serious rust. As for the stuff I found in the car, I've cleaned most of it out, and I'll go show you it in a sec, but there's still stuff in here, just like literally brake calipers, more brake calipers, some door hinges, so much random stuff. Let me show you all the extra bits that came in it. I accidentally left these sitting outside on my trailer, but there were some badges inside of it as well. And I also left this out here, is some chrome work. And for those of you that have Datsuns, you know that chrome work can be hard to find and expensive. Well, this isn't the only chrome work that came in that Datsun. I opened up the back of this Datsun, and it was just full of chrome work. It's got the door chrome, window chrome, everything. And this is this little box. Not little, it's actually quite a big box. But I just kept filling it with interior panels. There's like 3 of these, whole bunch of, you know, the plastic trim pieces. Some there's tail lights in them. There's a whole center console that came in the car, and something that I don't know if it's actually hard to find, but for me that I've been thinking about as I go through this build is these pieces, just these little interior trim pieces. They're really brittle and like to break, and these ones are all in knick-knack shape. They're not cracked, not scratched up. They're going to get recovered anyways, but yeah, it's crazy. All this other stuff is just random. I got a lot of Datsun parts in here and a lot inside. I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through that little 280 parts car slash maybe get running car. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see. It'd be a lot of work to get it running, but be sort of fun, sort of like the roadkill Datsun. So let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and have a good day, guys.